Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with you guys with another video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to install the Parani on your helmet and the unboxing of Parani. Let me quickly show you how to do that. This is the main unit. This is the manual and some safety precautions which are given inside this. This is the microphone sponge. This is the cable, USB C-type cable. You just need to carry this and your power bank. You can charge the Parani anytime. And this is the microphone and speakers. This is the clamp. This holds your Parani to the helmet. I have already installed this speaker velcro. After installing the speaker pocket velcro, just need to place this adjustable yeah, just like that. Then next thing you're gonna do is install the speakers and the microphone. And the microphone goes here, and the other one sits right just there. Yeah, perfect. And while putting the paddings back, just make sure you leave little bit gap over here so that you can perfectly install this. Now I'll install the paddings. Now just down this. Everything is set. Now just put it on top and push it so that it gets locked, and connect the microphone. Just connect the microphone like this, and to start the Parani, hold the jog dial and the multifunction button for 1 second, and the Parani starts. And now I'll show you how to pair it with your phone. For connecting to Bluetooth, just hold the multifunction button for 5 to 10 seconds. It'll show pairing on the Parani. That time you can pair it with your phone. Yeah, pairing. Go to your phone, Bluetooth settings. Other devices, Parani. You can see here Parani M10 connected, just like that. Now the Parani is in Bluetooth mode. You can even play FM from this. I'll show you how to do that. Just hold it for 2 seconds and release it. It goes to FM mode. And then if you want to change the channels, hold the jog dial, push it in and push it up for changing the tracks. And for turning off the Parani, you just need to hold the jog dial and multifunction button, just press them at a time. And you can even reset the Parani. I'll show you how to do that.
Configuration menu.
In the configuration menu,
Exit configuration. Factory reset.
you can do a factory reset
Delete all pairings.
and you can delete all the pairings,
Speed dial.
and you can call others. You can set the speed dials in your phone and then you can just call directly to the Parani.
Exit configuration.
That's it. Let me quickly show you how good this sounds. This sounds really good. This is the charging port. This Parani is worth paying 6,000. You can connect with 4 riders, and the range comes up to 1 kilometer on the highways. In city it's not that good, but then on the highways the range goes up to 1 kilometer, and it's very good. With all these features, Parani becomes the best intercom. I would definitely recommend you to buy this, and it's really worth the price.